If you want to make more money in your business, stop doing this, wasting time on low-value tasks. Too many business owners spend hours on things that don't actually help them grow. They tweak their website, organize files, create fancy graphics, or get stuck in their inbox all day. These things might feel productive, but they're not bringing in clients or generating revenue. Let's break this down. When you first start a business, it's easy to think that being busy equals being successful, but that's not true. What actually moves the needle? Marketing your offer, talking to potential clients, creating value-driven content, and delivering great results. Everything else? It's either a distraction or something you can automate, simplify, or delegate. So how do you know if you're spending too much time on the wrong things? Here's a simple way to check. Track your time for a week. Write down everything you do in your business, every task, every minute spent. At the end of the week, ask yourself, did this help me get clients? Did this generate revenue? Could I have delegated or automated this? If the answer is no to the first two and yes to the last one, it's time to make a change. Let's talk about what to cut, automate, or delegate. 1, stop spending time on busy work. Ask yourself, does this actually matter? Does it move my business forward? If not, it's time to stop or limit how much time you spend on it. For example, constantly tweaking your website. If it works and people can buy from you, it's fine. Move on. Over-designing social media graphics. Content is king, not fancy templates. Focus on value. Spending hours replying to emails that don't lead to sales. Set boundaries or use templates. 2, automate repetitive tasks. If you're doing the same thing over and over, there's probably a way to automate it. For example, instead of manually sending the same response to potential clients, create a template. Use a scheduling tool instead of back and forth emails to book calls. Set up automatic payments or invoicing instead of chasing people for money. 3, delegate what you don't need to do. If a task doesn't need your personal attention, delegate it. You don't need to do everything in your business. If you can't afford to hire help yet, start small. Outsource just a few hours a week or swap services with someone else. The goal is to free up your time so you can focus on what actually grows your business. Now, let's talk about common mistakes that keep people stuck. First, thinking you have to do everything yourself. Many business owners struggle with this, but here's the truth. If you're the only person running every part of your business, you'll always be stuck at the same level. Growth happens when you focus on the highest impact tasks. Second, not setting boundaries with time. If you check emails all day, you're letting other people control your schedule. Set specific times for emails, social media, and admin work. Protect your time. And third, not reviewing how you spend your time. If you never take a step back to see where your time is actually going, you'll keep feeling overwhelmed without knowing why. So here's your challenge. Track your time for a week. Write down everything you do. Then identify what you can cut, automate, or delegate. Because if you want to make more money and grow your business, you have to focus on the tasks that actually matter. Comment below if you can relate.